Welcome back everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make this fine fabric. As you can see, I'm going to use it for bustier. So please stay tuned and watch this video down to the end. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Let them watch it and learn. So let's get started now. So I've cut up the one that we're going to use, this bustier that we are going to use with this fabric. So I will go ahead now to take my measurements. So placing my tape from the upper part like this to get my length. My length is 16.5 inches. So that's my 16.5 inches. And then I will go ahead now to measure my middle part. That is nipple to nipple part. That is 4 inches. So it's 4 inches that I will mark throughout like this, and then after that I will use my ruler to roll it. So that is my 4 inches, using my ruler to roll it like this. So that is it. So after that now I will go ahead now to take my underbust. First, my nipple point 9 inches. So that's my nipple point. My underbust 12.5 inches. So that is 12.5 inches. That is the underbust, that is the nipple point. So after that, now I'll go ahead now to also measure 1 inch on this line that we mark 4 inches and place it like this and mark 1 inch. While marking it, because of the bustier, for it to cup very well, that is why we are marking that 1 inch. And you can also mark more than 1 inch, but I just want to mark that 1 inch because the bust that we have is okay for that 4 inch and 1 inch that we just marked. So then I will roll it like this on that 1 inch that I just marked. Remember, it's bustier that we are making, so this is how to make your bustier. So then I will also go ahead now to take the shoulder. Now my shoulder is 8 inches. That is 16 inches. By the time you divide it by 2, that will give us 8 inches on our tape. Then after that, I will also go ahead now to also measure from the upper part now to my chest line 8 inches. So that's my chest line now, and we'll roll it like this. So then I'm going to cup it now to make the cup to cup out very well. So this is my nipple point. So you just mark like this, curve it like this to the underbust. Can you see what I'm doing to the underbust? So this is my nipple point to the underbust. I hope my camera is showing it well for you to see. Then for the shoulder that we have, is 8. We mark to our chest line. So we divide it. So by the time we divide it, what we have 4 inches here like this. Here to here is 4 inch, and placing it from the 4 inch that we mark to the chest line that we have 8 inches is 4 inches. So we have shared it. So that is the 4 inches. And then we'll now, because it's a princess cut bustier, so I will curve it from here to my nipple point like this. So now we have gotten our princess line and connect it to the underbust. I hope you are following up. So this is it. So now we will now start with our bust measurement proper now. So our bust is 38 inches. So I'm going to place my 38 inches like this. So this is our place 34 inches. So 34 divided by 4, that will give us 8.5 inches. So I mark 8.5 inches. Adding that 1 inch that we mark here, because we are going to cut it out. So this is our 1 inch. Before adding the sewing allowance, I'm going to mark up to 2 inches for the sewing allowance. So that is for the sewing allowance. And coming to the underbust, my underbust is 28 inches. So this is my 28 inches, that is 7 inches, and then return the 1 inch again before marking our sewing allowance, 2 inches. So that is it. So that is what we are going to also do at the down part of it, like this, and mark. So now we have marked the body part now, and then I'm going to connect all the marks together like this. So from the bust and connect it to the under bust, and then to the length. So that is it now, to the length. So we are also going to mark 1 inch on the 2 inches on that chest line to get our armhole curve. So that's my 2 inches like this, and then I'm going to use my ruler to curve it. So please watch this video down to the end. And if you don't understand, please watch it again so that you can understand. So I've done that, and then I'm going to slope my shoulder to sloping my shoulder by ½ inch like this, and then now slope it. So this is how we have gone to our bustier, cutting of our bustier. So then I will go ahead now to cut it out now. So this, I'm going to start with it. So this is the line that we mark 1 inch like this. So I'm going to start it like this and mark and cut to our under bust like this. So the nipple point like this. So I hope you are following up, and then cut it out like this. So this is it now. So this is the 1 inch that we cut, and that is what I said that we cut out. And when sewing, you remember to add it, and that is what we added when we are doing the measurement. So can you see what we have cut out now? So this is it. So that is it. So remember to also notch your under bust. So this is my under bust. So you notch it like this so that you will know the under bust. And then we have not cut the neckline. After joining it, that is when I will cut out the neckline. So that is for the front, the bustier. Then continue to cut it like this. So that is it now. So can you see what I'm doing? So this is how you're going to achieve your bustier when making your own. So cut it out. So this is the front side of our bustier. So you can see how it is now. That is for the bustier now. You can see how it came out. So this is the front. So I'm going to use this front that we cut out now and cut the back piece now. So let's do that now. This is our back piece now. So this, I folded it like this and using my front that we have cut out and lay on it. So and before then, I'm going to place it like this and get my zipper part. So this is my zipper part that I have, and it's 1 inch that it is. So that is my 1 inch for my zipper part. And then using my front piece for the side of the bustier and also placed like this. So you can see that this one is the place that look like the bust side. So you fold it like this so that it will not appear at the back piece that you want to cut, because the back piece will not have something like this. So I'm using my scissors like this to place it, and then I'm going to cut it out. So I will do that now. I'm going to cut now. So I spread it, as you can see. So this is what I'm doing now, cutting the back piece. You see the way I place it, and you can see what I did for the bustier side. I don't want it to appear because it will not be good. So that is why I use something to place on it like this. So I will also open the zipper part. My zipper part and the one that I added is 1 inch, and then cutting. So after that, now we'll also cut the side of it like this. So I've cut out the back side of it. So this is the side of the back. I'm going to cut like this. So can you see what I'm doing? So please watch this video and also add your fabric so that you can cut alongside with me like this that I'm doing, so that you can know how to cut your bustier. So this is how it is. It's a princess bustier that we are making. So after that, I will go and join it and also show you how it came out. So this is how it is. So please subscribe and watch this video down to the end. So I will now take it out like this, so you can see that the shape is different now. So this is the back piece, so this is the front piece, and this is the back piece of the bustier. So can you see the difference now? So this is how to cut it. So I will take it to the machine and sew it and join together. I'm going to join the body. You can see the way I did it. So you see the side on the middle part, like the middle, and you can see how it is now, the bust. So what I want to do now, fold it so that I will take the measurement and the neckline. Remember, we have not cut out the neck, so this is what I want to do now. So I want to cut out the neckline now, as you can see. So this I'm going to starting from the neck. I'm going to mark 3 inches for the neckline, and to bring down the neckline, that is for the front, is what we are making now. I'm bringing it up to 2 inches. So I want the neck to be high, to come up. So then to measure our bust again, so our bust is 34 inches, right? So these are 34 inches, and we added 2 inches for the sewing allowance. So we return back to the 2 inches for the sewing allowance, and coming to the under bust, under bust 28. So that is 28 inches, and so it also fall on that 2 inches that we added, so also with the down part of it. So now what I'm just going to do now, to cut the neckline and also to cut the armhole again, because we have not really cut out the armhole. So that is my 8 inches, and then just what we have here, you still remain that 16 inches. So we'll take it from here and curve like this. So that is what we are going to do now. So I will cut out the neckline now and the armhole. So now I'll cut. So that's for the neck, and that is the front. So also bring it down a little again. So coming to the armhole area, I'm going to cut it like this. So this is our cutting now. So this is how we are going to stop for today tutorial. So this is how we came to achieve our bustier, and remember how we went to do the measurement and the bustier, how we cut it. So please, if you don't understand, please watch this video again and also share it for others to see, so that they too can see and learn. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you once more for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.